Well, hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is Janice. So how is everyone today? I'm doing better. The sun is shining and it's nice and warm out. I believe it's in the mid 70s. Just a beautiful, beautiful day. So I'm really happy about that. So I thought I would go ahead. I have one more unboxing due for the month, and it's my Play by Sephora. So if you want to see what I got in my Play box, please stay tuned. Well, thanks for staying tuned. This is the Play box. It comes in a black and white striped box. And on the, they just say show off and share using hashtag Sephora Play. So they want you to show this off, which is what I'm doing. I'm showing it off. And I do enjoy getting this box. It comes of all samples, and we get usually 5 samples and a bonus. It is $10 a month, and everything that you get in this box you can purchase at Sephora. You can either go into the store or go online, but if you want to make sure they have it, I would just go online and if something you really love. Alright, let's get in. Oh, we're going to get in the box here in just a moment, but I just want to remind you, because I always forget to do this in the beginning. I'm going to remind you to please subscribe if you haven't. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. If not, go ahead and give me a thumbs down. It's okay. And smash that bell so you can see some future videos from me. And comment. I want to know if anyone out there gets this Play box. And if so, do you enjoy it? And if you want, talk about your favorite product they gave you that month. I'd appreciate it. I like to get to know you, so please comment. Alright. It comes in a plastic bag. It's just a Ziploc bag. And on the back they say play hard. No, work hard, play harder. I'm getting my tongue twisted here. Okay, I'll go ahead and start pulling things out. The first thing is the bonus item we get. And usually we get perfume samples, which I love. I love perfume. And now this, I know it's the last several months they've been changing up with foil packets like hair products. This is a hair product, however, it is a gummy. So it's not a shampoo and conditioner, which is usually what we get, but it's a vitamin for hair. It's supposed to, let's see, it's gluten-free. Oh, it's for stronger and healthier hair. It's got button, folic acid, zinc, vitamin B12, a few other things I can't pronounce. I do like gummies. I cannot swallow pills very well, and it always seems like the vitamin pills are just huge, like for horses, and I just can't get them down. So I usually go with gummies or the powder. So I'm going to check this out. This is something I'm going to try, see if I like it, and check it out at Sephora, because I've been wanting to get some vitamins for my skin and hair. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out, it's in a tube. And this one I really, really like. Oh, by the way, I sneak peeked this. I opened it earlier, so I know what it is. But this is by Tarte. And I've been wanting to try this. It is their new foundation that you can get at Sephora. It's called Found Sealer. Stands for foundation and concealer in one. It's a little push pump. Let's see here. Not a whole lot, so I don't want to waste it because I do want to wear it. I should have wore it today, but I wanted to show it to you first. Okay, I'm trying to be careful. Oh, there. Oh, wow, that's a tiny squirt. Let's see how it spreads. Oh, nice and creamy and silky. If you can see, I don't know if you can, but we'll see what it feels like on my face. I have a hard time with Tarte foundations I don't find too many that I like. I've tried a few. I got their powder foundation when they had that Tarte sale. I really like that. Okay, let's see. This, I believe, is in light beige, which is what I wear. Alright, the next thing, this is kind of a repeat, but I really, really like it, and I ran all out. But it's by Belief. And it is a True Cream Aqua Balm. Yeah, I did love this one. Got a nice fresh smell, which I like, and it's nice and creamy. And it sinks in almost immediately, and it's not heavy. I don't care for heavy creams in the summertime at all. And it just makes your skin nice and smooth and supple. So far this box is doing well. Okay. The next one is Sage. It's a Sanguine Tea Tree Detox Mask. I'm sorry I can't pronounce these things. I have a hard time pronouncing these big words. My brain just can't wrap around them. It is a tube, and it says it's a detox mask. It's got I can't pronounce it. And it is safety sealed, but I'm going to go ahead and open it because I want to use this. So, well, if I can get it, well, my nails are so thin from having them done all the time. And I'm trying to grow them back out, but I can't seem to, so they're short. So this is tricky. I can't get it open. I'll bring it back. Boy, that bugger's on tight. All I could do is pierce it. Oh my goodness. It's kind of a beigey looking cream. It just smells, wow, it smells herbal, like fresh scent. Oh, it feels really good. And it's creamy, so I'm not sure how this is going to work. I have a pamphlet that came with this box, okay, and it tells you what everything is and how to use it. I cannot find it. I've misplaced it. But I'm trying to wing it here. Oh, this has got tea tree in it. So that's what I'm smelling, tea tree. So I'm excited about that one. And next, we have, this box tends to be very heavily skincare, I notice. I noticed also every box I've gotten in the last few years, in the summertime we get a lot of skincare. I think it's because it's just too warm to wear a lot of makeup, and so they're more or less concentrated in skincare because we're out and about and we're sweating, and a lot of us get to go to the beach. I have beaches around here, but when I was younger I would have been there every day, but now that I'm older I like just walking along the beach. Okay, this is my first Aid Beauty, and it's Auto Repair Cream, Air Cream. And see if I can see what it says. Directions. Use daily in the AM and PM. Apply evenly on clean skin. I'm getting new glasses. I can't wait. I've already been reading these. These I've had for a few years. So that's just a cream. Another cream for the face. Ooh, this is kind of pillowy. And this poor arm is, well, oh, a little bit goes a long ways. Just nothing to see really, but only for me to feel and smell. Too bad we don't have feel-o-vision and smell-o-vision. But my hand's gonna be nice. Mosquito bites, yeah, they're out. I don't like mosquitoes. We're gonna have a bad year for mosquitoes this year because of all the rain. And so, wear a lot of bug repellent. And also, I gotta make sure my dogs get their heartworm pill every month. So, don't want them to get heartworm. Oh, and this one, I've never got this before, and I heard great things about it. It's by Laneige. It says it's a lip sleeping mask. Boy, do I need that. My lips are already so parched and dry, and they peel, and sometimes they crack at the corners. So this is going to be wonderful. It's a real cute pink bottle. You see it here. It's hard to do this one. I find it's hard to do. Okay, let's smell it. It's good. I have lipstick on, of course, so it's hard to, well, I don't want to put it on after. Let's do the inside here. Well, it's just like a balm. It's really nothing to see. It's clear. It looks pink in the bottle, but it's clear. Okay, that's it. We got the Laneige lip balm, sleeping mask, I should say. With the first aid cream, the Belief cream, and we got a tea tree mask, and a Tarte foundation, their new one, and we got some vitamins. This box is really good this month. I think last month was kind of I can't remember what I got, but I don't think I was real excited. But this one I'm really excited about and happy. I'm going to use all these products. So usually I have 1, 2 or 3 that I'm going to go ahead and pass on, but not this one. I'm going to keep them. Oh yes, I did want to tell you, on your pamphlet they give you a card for 50 extra points. It's Beauty Insider points is what it is. So if you're familiar with their point system, you know that you save your points. Every time you purchase something, you get so many points, and you use those points to perhaps get a sample. And they have different samples up there every month, and also online they have samples. So all you have to do is just make a purchase, and then you get the sample. You get the points from your purchase, plus you get 50 extra points. So that is a nice little extra too. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna make it short and sweet. Again, please subscribe. I am trying to get my subscribers, trying to get them. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna have to climb through this camera and grab you and say, hey, just subscribe. It's not gonna hurt you. I hope you like me though. As you see, I'm fairly new to this. I've been playing along with YouTube, oh gosh, I don't know, for the last year and a half. And I just thought, you know, if I'm going to do this thing, I'm going to do it. And I got to get on a schedule here. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to have more videos up this month. Probably my favorites and non-favorites. I'm going to try that. And also, I want to try a few of these products and review them for you. So if you're interested in something like that, oh yes, also want to show you around my yard and also show you my pets. So if you're interested in seeing that, please check back. Thanks, and you have a wonderful day. Bye.